As you send out more email broadcasts or newsletters, you will find that it kind of saves time if you have a pre-done template that you can use in every email. I'm going to show you how to make things easy from here on. In an Aweber account, go to Messages and Email Template Manager, and you will come to a page like this. So if you're using a new account, you won't be seeing any of these options here. These are just some of the templates that I've created for this account. So here's how you can start your own. You're given a choice between start with an Aweber template, import a template, or use coding. For most beginners like you, and even for me, I would start with an Aweber template. You will start off with a very basic template. You can choose any existing one you have right now and give it a name. So for the purpose of this test, let's just call it New Template. And you can either edit what you have already or choose an existing template and just start modifying it from there. Personally, I will just go with a plain template and start personalizing it further. Here's how you can normally personalize your template, like adding a header image by dragging this image thing here. You can add your own image or use the image gallery. So this is totally up to you. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm just going to use an existing header. And there we go. Now, if you hover your mouse, you will notice that the image is clickable. If you don't want to have that, go to Image Link on your editor here and remove it. And Image Alternate Text, I will just have it removed as well. You can choose to align the image to the left, the center, or to the right. Personally, I just like to keep it in the center. Okay. And further below, you'll see that this is basically the content. I will personally just leave it alone. And another thing I would add, though, is I will add another paragraph which I would like to put my, what I call, can't spam notification, or a simple text that basically lets my subscribers know that they have joined my list. So this is the text that I just came out with. It's up to you how you want to personalize it, but this is how I would do it. In Aweber, you will notice that you can personalize with any of this text over here and put it anyhow you want. But if you want to distinguish between the main content and the footer, I would suggest using a divider so you can drag this in and put it here. You can edit the thickness of the border by 1 pixel, which will be good. You can change the color if you'd like to. I'm just going to leave it black, and you can even change the pattern anyhow you want. I think let's just go with dotted. All right, that's good. So this is basically how your template looks. If you want to save time, you can even add your signature, your logo, or even your social media buttons. It's totally up to you. However, I recommend you keep it simple, like how we're looking at it right now. Because if there are too many images or icons in your newsletter, that will result in having your email high chance of ending up in spam folders being fell into the Gmail's promo tab, which might hurt your open rates a little bit. But as far as branding goes, this is much recommended, and it also saves time of personalizing every single email that you send out. So once you're done, just click Save and Exit, and you can use this next time onwards.